Hello, and this is Ninja Master, and
Messing with JJ.
we are here playing Knack. Not for the first time. This is my third time, and
My second time.
Yep. So we're gonna create a new game to start from the beginning, and like the last one. This is Knack in his biggest form. Probably not biggest, but it just looks really awesome in that form.
That's probably the biggest we've seen.
Yeah. No, actually, not the biggest, because at the end, remember?
Oh yeah, you got them really big.
Yeah. Should we go normal, easy, or easy?
Whatever we've done in the past.
We haven't played it that often, so we'll go with easy. It's been quite a bit. Oh yeah, and I'll put it in this slide. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You're starting from fresh.
Yeah. Wait, when did we? We're doing a play. Let's play on this.
Oh, okay.
I'll explain something else later, after we see this. They shoot like stormtroopers.
Yeah, didn't hit one hole.
Yeah. That's not good. Run away! Good. I can barely hear it again. I don't think they can hear it.
It seems the goblins there have progressed from being a minor nuisance to somehow being able to take down a highly fortified outpost. Thank you all for coming on such short notice, and Doctor, thank you for hosting this gathering. How did these goblins progress in such a short time from bows and arrows to tanks and guns? Where are they based, and how can we remove the threat they pose? We must immediately mount an expedition to discover whatever we can. Do you have any volunteers?
Brag, huh? Deep in Goblin Country. I can get you all in. I'm less sure I can get you all out again.
Victor.
Victor Industries, welcome.
He's a bad guy.
Field testing of our security robots.
While human strength is, of course, desirable, the expedition will need something far more powerful to take on those goblin weapons. The high-tech armaments of these robots should prove invaluable in accomplishing the mission. Any other volunteers? Well then, it seems Ryder and Victor will be our expeditionary force. Yes, Doctor?
Before any final decision is made, I would like to show you all a little something I've been working on. Come.
That's where we show up.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. The doctor keeps me busy though. I gotta go set up. I'll see you later. Perfect.
I think that's his uncle. I can't remember. And that guy is his dad. I'm not sure. I haven't played in a while. I don't know who the characters are.
I think he's the assistant.
Uh-huh.
Just go slow.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure that he was related to the scientist,
Oh.
and also I'm pretty sure he was related to Ryder. Whoa! Yeah, come in.
Where am I going?
Wow. I don't know. That's strange. Okay, there you go. Resume. Resume. Yep,
Alright.
there you are. That's how it's two-player. On TV! Bam. Bam. What's this? Not sure what that.
turn that up a little.
Okay. Yeah, a Knack is just a creature made out of relics. And he... BAM! Cannonball! Yeah, whenever Knack needs relics to, so he can survive. And grow bigger and stronger. Double jump. BAM! Cannonball! Cannonball! Bam! I like cannonballing these guys. Now. We get stronger and bigger and more health when we gain relics.
Excavate the relics from deep underground, then use them to power our cars, planes,
Yep.
our generators. The discovery of this source of perpetual energy has changed our lives completely.
Oh,
Jump right into it.
we. You gotta wait till it goes. Just run quickly for this. More relics. Oh yeah. I need my relics back. I lost my hair! Don't hit them yet. Cannonball! Cannonball! I'm cannonballing them. Let's go.
I have spent decades learning the secrets of the relics and how to bring them to consciousness. The result is Knack, a living, thinking, breathing creature.
Wait. Okay. I gotta move fast. With those, we gotta move fast. Come on. Slowpoke. Okay.
Knack, pick up those relics.
Oh. And he's now stronger, bigger.
As you can see, Knack is capable of explosive growth.
That was so easy. Why aren't you so big?
Yeah, I grew when you did.
Yeah, apparently you're gonna stay small. Bam! Oh! Oh, there you go. You're growing now. Ooh, not doing well on health.
Sound comes right through my remote.
Oh man, I think you hit me.
Shrink down and go through that duct.
What am I doing in the hallway?
Knack can power up by absorbing the energy contained within sunstones.
Oh, I thought they were called relics. Oh yeah.
Once energized, he can release the power of the sunstones explosively as a massive shockwave.
Oh.
shockwave can destroy multiple targets at once.
I'm not doing so well.
Yeah, fighting a long time. That worked.
That's what I like about these crystals. But I have to save them. Wow, we're going through this really quicker than I thought.
Knack, power up again using the Sunstones. Knack can also use the power of the Sunstones to transform himself into a storm of relics.
Almost like a knockdown.
I remember this.
Now, Knack, show them what your storm attack can do.
Yes! Special storm! Let's go.
As you have seen, Knack is able to use the energy contained within the Sunstones to augment his already formidable powers.
Stop punching me! Go, go, go! What happened? Oh, I forgot to use that power. Oh yeah, we're huge. We're medium sized now. I was thinking we were huge.
We're big compared to what we started off with.
Yep.
Most impressive, Doctor. You call it Knack, is that right?
Actually, I call myself Knack. Impressive. He seems a little delicate.
He's got to be the bad guy
But
with the
the
beard.
goblins will face power this
You saying he has to be the bad guy because he has a beard?
No, the way his beard is, get the
Oh.
goatee and everything.
Oh yeah.
My security robots with me. If Knack can get by those,
He has really bushy eyebrows.
can do. Let's take this to the garden. There's a bit more room.
Something bad's gonna happen there. I can destroy these guys easily.
Think Knack can do it?
We'll
Totally.
see now, won't we?
Bam, bam, bam! That was so easy! Wait.
There's more to come.
Oh wait, we're gonna go there again. Wait, we gotta pick up relics as often as possible. Wait, we gotta get those crystals. Oh, not enough.
Using the power of the Sunstones, Knack can also blast distant targets with a barrage of relics. This blast attack is even capable of striking multiple targets at once.
Oh, wait!
Gosh.
Oh wait, okay, that's where we have to go. Wait, which way? I think, yeah, this is a secret area.
Oh yeah, you get stuff out of it.
Why'd you punch me?
I thought it was
Stop punching me! You found a hidden item at viewers into PSN. You can also choose from the items that found. That when the health is low, break sandstones will release relics. Breaking sandstones will release relics. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. You gotta look for those things all over the place. And you're not doing so well in health.
Okay.
Yeah, look at you got like one circle, one half circle. I could have saved those. Oh well. Got him. I'm getting close to Wait.
Oh, that's right. Forgot about that.
Yeah, you gotta hit those as much.
Right
Wait.
off the edge.
Come on, peoples.
Cyclops.
Don't forget the relics. We're getting close to huge. And we're kind of in the middle of medium and huge. Oh yeah. Cannonball! Wait. More relics. Wait. Oh, we can't destroy these. There's also the open crates where you automatically get them. What are those things? Seriously, what is with you and punching me? How do you like it? This can't be so hard. Oh.
Next.
Oh, those are the mega bots. I'm gonna need your help on this one.
I say we all fight together.
Yeah. Now you go handle those things. Yeah, there's a way to dodge.
With the right button.
No. Like, switch it. No. Do this.
Yeah. That's the right
Don't.
one.
Yeah. Okay.
I did dodge it.
Stronger. Oh! Oh no! Bam! Cannonball! Cannonball! Bam! Cannonball! 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 What? I told you about cannonball. Cannonball! Oh, we're getting close. Okay. Wait. Don't go up there yet. Okay. We'll open this and then end the episode because we're getting close on time. Okay, what do we have? That. What is that?
What is that?
That can accumulate twice as much stun energy and unleash more powerful super moves. That's awesome. That's cool. Well, actually, yeah, we got a little bit more time. We can fight the guy up there, and we'll end the episode there because we're getting close. Cannonball!
I knocked him right off the edge.
Bye! This is about what huge form looks like. Actually, we got Dad, get over here. Now look into the camera.
I'm looking at the bushes over there.
Okay, you can look into the bushes then, if you want to. Okay, so that's it for the episode here today. So that, yeah, bye!